Time to realize that your world is crashing down on you. Take time to realize all I am on your side. Didn't I tell you? But I can't spell it out for you. You know it's never gonna be that simple. No, I can't spell it out for you. And if we just realize what I just realized, can we be perfect for each other and we'll never find another? Just realize what I just realized. We never have to wonder if we miss out of each other now.